In this video, I'll show you how to manage the Send for Admin Review feature on WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select Group Info from the menu, scroll down, and tap Group Permissions. Now enable the Send for Admin Review feature. Now, group members can report messages to admins if they believe a message contains false information or violates group rules. Okay, now test how group members can report messages for admin review. I use my second account to test this. In the group chat, long press the message and tap More and tap Send for Admin Review. The message will be sent for admin review, and the admin will be notified. Now how admins can view reported messages. If you're an admin, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, select Group Info from the menu. Scroll down and tap Send for Admin Review to view all reported messages. You can see the reported message in the chat and even chat with the message owner if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage the Send for Admin Review feature and how group members can report messages to admins for review. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.